Okay, so I'm turning into Sereno, and this is Express Homes, Dr Horton community. Just want to give you a little showing of the area over here. And please do check out my website at wintergotonew.com, where you can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page. That is, if it is listed on the MLS. Many times home builders do not put the homes on the MLS, so just always keep that in mind. Now, home builders are getting pretty strict about their policies with having your realtor with you from the start, and aside from having me there when you enter the home builder, it's a good idea not to even contact them through the internet, because sometimes when you do that, that's enough for the home builders to say, okay, you know, we're not paying your realtor, you can't use a realtor, and it's kind of a shame to throw it away because it's a free service that costs thousands of dollars. So if you use it or you don't, you know, you're just missing out. I can see this community does have a gate, so that's nice. Nice slow gate. Alright. I just wanted to give you that little showing over there just so you can see it. Huh. Very good. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.